The beginner English learning story video niche has become one of the fastest growing educational categories on YouTube. Channels creating these videos are attracting millions of views, gaining hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and earning thousands of dollars every month. Take Emma Daily English, for example. With just 42 videos, the channel has already grown to over 432,000 subscribers, with videos reaching hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. It's estimated to earn more than $4,000 per month. Another channel, Family Story English, is also seeing impressive growth. Despite being barely 2 months old, it has already started attracting strong viewership and is estimated to earn at least $10,000 per month. This shows just how much potential this niche has. Millions of children and adults around the world are learning English for school, work, travel, and everyday communication, making beginner English learning story videos one of the fastest growing opportunities for YouTube creators. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create these beginner English learning story videos from start to finish. I've made the entire process simple and easy to follow, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to create videos like these. But before we begin, here's a video I made using the exact method I'm about to teach you.
Wow.
Happy birthday, Lily.
It's almost ready, Dad.
All done. It's beautiful.
Oops, slow down, buddy.
Here, Lily. Let's clean this up together.
Ready?
By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make videos like this yourself. So let's get started. Step 1. Build your story. The first step is to create a simple story that helps people learn English while keeping them entertained. These stories should be easy to understand, engaging, and teach basic words and sentences naturally. Idea to make this easier, I've included a prompt in the video description that will generate beginner English story ideas for you. For this tutorial, we'll use ChatGPT. Copy the prompt from the video description, paste it into ChatGPT, and press enter. It will generate 20 beginner-friendly story ideas. Simply choose the one you want by entering its number. I'll go with number 5. My dog ate my birthday cake. ChatGPT will then create everything you need, including the story summary, characters, scene breakdown, image prompts, and video prompts. With your story ready, we can move on to the next step. Step 2. Generate the images. Now that our story is ready, it's time to turn it into a video. For this tutorial, I'll be using magiclight.ai, an AI-powered video creation platform that can transform your story into a complete animated video with consistent characters, visuals, and voiceover. It's trusted by over 20 million registered users and more than 3 million monthly active users worldwide. I've left the link in the video description. On the homepage, you'll find different creation modes, including story to video, kids story video, short drama video, music video, create video, explainer video, and more. Since we're creating a beginner English learning video, click on Kids Story Video to open the workspace. Magic Light gives you 2 ways to create your video. You can enter a single idea and let the AI generate an entire story automatically, or paste in a complete script like we're doing in this tutorial. Copy the entire story ChatGPT generated and paste it into the prompt box. Next, select Magic Light 2.2 as the mode and 3D cartoon from over 50 available visual styles. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, then choose your video duration. Magic Light can generate videos up to 60 minutes long, but for this tutorial, I'll use 30 seconds. Next, select English as the language and choose Gemini Flash 3.1 as the model. Leave the voiceover on its default settings and click Next. Magic Light will now automatically begin turning your script into a fully animated video, eliminating the need for traditional video editing software or complicated production workflows. Generating the characters. Magic Light will now process your prompt and take you to the cast section, where all the characters in your story are listed. You can either choose characters from Magic Light's library of over 10,000 ready-made character assets or create your own. To create one, click Create, paste the character prompt generated by ChatGPT, and click Generate. Magic Light will create the character based on the description. Once the character is ready, click Apply, then Confirm to add it to your story. Repeat the process until all your characters are ready. Generating the video. Next, click Next to open the storyboard section. Magic Light will automatically generate every scene using your selected characters. Review the storyboard and edit or delete any scene if needed. Once you're satisfied, click Next and then choose Animate All. Then click on Confirm to animate every scene automatically. If you prefer, you can also animate each scene manually. After the animation is complete, preview the scenes and download any of them individually if needed. Then click Next, choose your subtitle style, and add background music if you want. I'll leave the background music off for this tutorial. Finally, click Generate. Select your preferred aspect ratio and resolution. I'll use 16:9 and 1080p. Then click OK. Magic Light will combine all the scenes into a single video. Once it's finished, preview and download your video.
Wow.
Happy birthday, Lily.
It's almost ready, Dad.
All done. It's beautiful.
It will also generate a video title, description, and hashtags that you can use when uploading your video to YouTube. Once your video has been generated, there's one more feature worth taking advantage of. Instead of only publishing your finished video, Magic Light also lets you publish the creative assets you've made throughout the process. You can publish your characters, visual styles, voice assets, and other creative assets to the platform, allowing other creators to reuse them in their own projects. Whenever your published assets are used, they can continue generating earnings for you, turning your creations into long-term digital assets instead of one-time content. You can track all of this from the earnings dashboard, where Magic Light shows how often your assets have been used and the revenue they've generated. The platform also features a monthly creator leaderboard and creator reward programs, giving you even more opportunities to earn as your assets become popular within the community. As you can see, creating beginner English learning videos is much easier than most people think. With millions of parents searching for this type of content every day, this niche still has enormous potential for new creators. If you stay consistent and keep producing quality videos, there's plenty of opportunity to grow a successful channel. One thing that makes Magic Light different is that you're not just creating videos, you're creating reusable creative assets. Your characters, visual styles, voice assets, and other creations can be published for other creators to use, allowing them to generate continuous earnings whenever they're reused. In other words, you create once, but your assets can continue working for you long after your video is published. Beyond video generation, Magic Light brings the entire workflow into one platform. You can go from a simple idea or script to a complete animated video with consistent characters, built-in voiceovers, subtitles, and cinematic visuals, all without switching between multiple tools. It also supports videos up to 60 minutes long, making it suitable for both YouTube Shorts and long-form content. If you'd like to try Magic Light for yourself, I've left the link in the video description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future AI content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.